Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Android phone that won't turn off by following these troubleshooting steps. So you may have tried to pull down the top menu and click on the power icon and try to power off or restart to turn it off. And maybe it's not working. You may also have tried the volume down and the side button to power off, turn off. Maybe it doesn't work as well. Don't worry, you can go ahead and actually fix it by this method here. You need to do is hold down the volume down and the side button until the screen goes completely black instead of just holding it for a few seconds. So you'll just do this method. I'm holding the volume down and the side button, and you're gonna keep on holding even when you see this menu. You don't need to do anything, just keep on holding until the screen goes completely black, and then you're gonna wait for something to show up on the screen, the logo of your, and once you see it, you let go. Again, it took some time, about almost 30 seconds to a minute. Now, on some Android phone, you may need to hold down the volume up and the side button depending on your Android phone. And in some scenario, you may need to hold down both volume down and volume up and your side button, all the buttons at the same time. Again, like I said, you need to hold it down for quite a bit, sometimes 30 seconds to a minute, till you can get the screen to go completely blank or black, and then seeing that logo appear, and it'll go ahead and fix it for you. Now, another scenario that you may have is that if your Android phone is basically on the lock screen, maybe it's just or maybe on the screen it doesn't actually auto lock, you may need to check out in your setting. You need to go to display and then look at your display settings here. Sometimes you may see a screen timeout and you want to adjust this. If it's 10 for putting it on for like 10 minutes, it's going to be a long time before it actually locks itself. So you need to adjust that to maybe 2 minutes or a minute or something less as well. So that's how you can fix an Android phone that won't turn off. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.